So today I am going to give you 4 situations and it is your task to describe each of them in English according to your level of English. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here is the first situation.
This is for our tradition.
So pause the video and describe it in English. Susan Burak is standing in the kitchen with a big smile. He is holding a dinner set in his hands. Suddenly, the dinner set falls to the ground. It makes a loud noise. Aisha Speed sees this and gets scared and jumps off the chair and goes to the other side. His eyes are open and wide with fear, and he makes a funny, shocked face. You are also welcome to express it in your own style. Just give it a try. So here is the second situation. Just pause the video and describe it in English. A man has 2 sacks. He covers an old man with 1 sack. Then he quickly covers himself with the other sack. The old man looks confused, like he is thinking, "Who covered me?" It looks funny, like a trick or joke. You too can describe it in English in your own style. Just give it a try. So here is the third situation. You can pause the video and describe it in English. 2 people stand supporting themselves against a wooden frame. When the man in the center comes, he collapses after attempting to support himself on the wooden structure because he loses his balance. You can also describe it in your own style. So fourth situation is optional. You can describe your favorite one among the 3 in the comment section in your own way. Hope you enjoy watching this video and learn a lot. I always bring great lessons and different ways to help you improve your English. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to follow. Thank you so much for watching.